get in there. All right, let's go see what else is in there. Phoenix, can you show me this apartment? Whoa, look at that. All right.
Mommy, look, a hot dog. Where's the hot dog? Oh, the wiener dog is back.
All right, you three, stay with me so I can see what you're up to.
The wiener dog is this here.
No, come on, let go.
Why the wiener dog?
The wiener dog.
No, it's a rabbit.
Come on. You three walk ahead of me, please.
Here's the, we want to show you. Okay, this is
All right. Oh, are we in the line now? Oh.
Gives her passion. We got one last time too. Joey, you need to wait. You can sit. Oh, Joey, go to bed. Turn it on.
Again!
No one. They're strays.
That is so sad.
You got an
On the
idea.
bright side, they are all super adorable. Except that one.
You guys, come on,
Well, let's
Bailey,
settle
Phoenix,
it.
Skylar,
We're all sleeping over.
Wait.
We're gonna have a slumber party.
We can't.
We'll tell more. We'll tell spooky stories. We'll go followers.
Try to control your puppy though without having to actually meet you. Class, line up. Pickle.
It's a beautiful trip.
And now on then.
That's me. That's you. That's
What's her
me.
name?
Oh, no, wait.
What's her name?
That's you.
Hey,
You know, it doesn't even matter. We'll figure it out on the way.
what's her name?
Now head on around the corner to the building storage area. Go! Go! Now! All right, now get out. Come on. You gotta leave. Move your puppy butts on up out of here. Wait, what? More dogs are walking in. Wow. You puppies smell like churros and popcorn. Man, you're making me hungry.
You're a puppy.
Welcome to the secret lair of Captain Snow.
What is this thing?
Oh, this is
A Mario?
Bailey, go take your backpack off, sweetie.
Boxes will resume motion shortly.
Be okay, though. You might make it.
There's no guarantee, but
He's right. You're all gonna die!
oh man, here we go! I'm so excited. My whole body's fighting. We are talking a full body way. Well, let's do this. Choose.
Come on, puppy. filthy mutt's doing here?
This plan was crazy. It shouldn't work.